Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quickie today to show you how to remove a Vauxhall insignia. This is a 2009 driver's door lock. So we're going to pop the door open, take the plastic cap out, and inside this plastic cap, note that there is a clip on both sides of that. There is a Torx T20. The T20 bit, lots of different types available. You probably find you have it in a standard socket set or even a standard drill set. So we're just going to wind this backwards. Now I'll do this real time, so you don't want to unwind it too far. You will start to feel resistance, but you really only want to wind it just far enough to be able to get the lock mechanism out. So a little bit, test it, a little bit, test it, and eventually it'll start to come loose. Okay, and once you've done what you need to do, in this case remove a piece of broken key, slot the lock mechanism back in, and just wind it in by hand. Up to the point where you feel resistance, and then just nip it up. That's it. It really is that simple. It is important just to test that the lock mechanism still works, and of course we need to pop the door back open to put the little plastic cap in. That's it. Thanks very much for watching guys, take it easy, I'll see you next time. Cheers.